Hey Achievers family,
my name is Yetunde and you're on to Yetunde Odusami TV. So I'm going to B&Q to get some nails. I'm trying to build my planter onto a pallet. So because the winter is here and I want to save some of my plants, take it out from the garden into the greenhouse. So come along with me, let's get the nails.
yes, it's all about saving space in the greenhouse because winter is just around the corner. I am now at the B&Q. I need nails strong enough to hold the pallet together because I want this stand to be sturdy for my screw implanters. Always double check the size and strength before buying.
So we got me to get it now. I'm in B&Q. Let's get some nails. And the nails is somewhere here. The last time I came, I think it's here. Alright guys, I'm just looking for the nails. Let's find see some nails. This is nice because it's got different sizes. Let me see this one. This is a lot. I'm tempted to get this one. Guys, what do you think? Which one do you think I should choose? Guys, this is £24. I'm thinking to get this one. This one is £13. Which one do you think I should get? This is a lot for £24. Oh no, this is, I think this is £21. I think this is the £13. I think this is the £13. Sometimes the prices are confusing. I had to decide which one to pick. This is £24. I think it's £24. How many is there? Pack of 500. How many are here? Pack of 1,000. I'm so handy and I use lots of nails, so I think this one will be ideal for me. I think this one will be ideal. It's £24, okay? So guys, I've made the decision to go with this. So let's compare. That's all I've got come to get this morning. I don't want to go out of scope. I don't want to. It's very tempting when you come to B&Q to pick this, to pick that, but I'm going to be focused this morning, very focused. Lots of beautiful flowers there. I'm tempted, but I'm not going to do that. Okay. It's all right.
I've lost my wine.
Oh, all right, okay. Thank you. Hello. So I'm just gonna pay. When I got to the till, it was £27.50, not £24 like I said earlier. Yeah, but it's worth it anyway. Yeah, there's a lot of sizes in there, different sizes, and yeah, it's worth it. Okay, let's go. Come along and see what I'm going to make with this. All right, let's go. Say it's raining. Such a lovely day though. Such a lovely day. I'm going to be working in the greenhouse anyway, so nothing is gonna stop me. All right, mission accomplished. I have got my nails. Now let's head back home and get to work on this pallet stand. DIY projects don't have to be complicated. With just a pallet, some nails, and a bit of effort, you can create something practical and space-saving for your garden. And trust me, once you start, you will keep finding new ways to recycle and reuse things around the house. So guys, before I start, I just want to show you my garden. That's my greenhouse, and those are my plants. Okay, I'm going to take all this, try to take it indoor into the greenhouse. I've got some plants here as well, so I'm trying to create space in the greenhouse, and that's why I'm going to be using this pallet stand. Okay, so like these plants here needs to go in the greenhouse. Yeah, it's gonna be winter soon. Winter is around the corner, so I need to make sure my plants are safe. So come with me to the greenhouse. Okay, this is the greenhouse. There we go. So this is the pallet I'm talking about. This is the pallet. I'll make a stand with it. Okay. And so I made another stand there to make it solid. So you'll be joining me today to mix my compost with the soil here. Then I will be, let me show you my planters. I like to recycle, so just like what I did here. You see that? These are bottles of milk that I use for the household. So instead of throwing it away, I use it as my planter. So I've got some more here I'll be using today. Okay, so you join me to do that. Okay, I'm gonna bring in some more. So I've got more here. There we go. It's going into the greenhouse with me. Let's begin. Guys, these are the plants I made. I've made holes in them. I made sure to add holes. So I will be putting some of the plants in here, then putting it onto my pallet. Okay, so let's go. And I will be adding remember the compost we mixed the other day? The compost we made. So I'll be mixing it with my soil so that I can use it for transplants. Okay. It's ready. Remember I told you guys that I blend my compost, and this make it easy for the compost to decompose easily. So now I'm just gonna mix it with my soil. Just gonna tip it all out over. Yeah. If you want to know the secret to my compost being ready in 4 weeks, do well to check my playlist, or more I will be putting in the description below, so do well to check for it. I am mixing the compost with the soil. To get more soil. So I'm just gonna mix it. So now, just gonna be adding I started using the screwdriver, then I remembered that I have this drill at home that I borrowed from my brothers. So I'd go for it. And I also noticed that when I put the planter first before the soil, it keeps ripping off my planter from the pallet. So I started using filling in the soil into the planter first, then transplant the plants before drilling onto the pallet. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not. In my next video, I will be bringing you how I arrange my greenhouse. So watch out for part 2 of this video. Thank you. Bye.